There's John. I'm going to attempt to, if I can get some speed. I don't have enough speed. Here we go. They're all ahead of me. Come on past me! Here's Siobhan coming. There she is, into the camel humps. Here she comes. Yee-hee! I think I hear a heather person coming behind me now. Here she comes. This is how you do it. Oh, they come thick and fast at the end. Woohoo! Hey!